んだよ。Good morning, night. Hello, I'm Moon-chan. Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is ni. You can find ni in na line here. Let's learn 3 words with ni. Niwa. Niwa means garden. Repeat after me. Niwa. Let's try Japanese tongue twisters. 庭には鶏がいる。庭には鶏がいる。That means there are 2 chickens in the garden. 肉、お肉。お肉 is used for polite expression. Repeat after me. 肉、お肉。にぎやか。にぎやか means lively. Please repeat after me. にぎやか。にぎやかなお祭り。The Lively Festival. Let's write hiragana. にLet's review the lesson. Please prepare pencil and paper. Can you read this? The answer is ni. Then can you read this? The answer is ニコニコする。ニコニコする means to smile. Now it's time to write them down. Can you write this? Feel free to pause the video while you are writing down. The answer is に。Can you write this? The answer is 西。西 is west. Today we got日曜日 日曜日 Sunday. You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.